Meghalaya government has decided to implement the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2 following the approval of
I'd
the
like to
cabinet after
inform
the
all of
meeting
you
held
that
today.
meeting of
Power
the cabinet
Minister
was
James
held
Sangma
today,
informed
the
media
14th of
that the
January,
state cabinet has agreed to
and
follow the operational guidelines
this was
laid
chaired
down
by
with
the Honorable
respect to
Chief
Swachh Bharat
Minister,
Mission
and
Gramin Phase 2.
the
As per
following
Rule
agendas
16
or
of the
items were
operational
taken up,
guideline
were
relating to the
discussed,
release
and
of
were
funds, the state
cleared by
government
the
passed a
cabinet.
resolution
The
that
first
there will be
one
timely release of state's share of the
pertains to
program
the
and set up institutional management
fulfillment
for
of the conditions
implementation of the
mentioned
program besides
in the
others.
Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2 operational guidelines in respect of release of funds, and this matter was brought up, and it was made known to the cabinet that as per Rule 16 of the operational guidelines relating to the release of funds, the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2 shall support all states and union territories of India. Funds will be released to the states' UTs based on their performance and ability to achieve program results. States shall become eligible to release funds based on attainment of the following conditions. So these conditions were namely that the state cabinet passes a resolution to implement the SBMG Phase 2 and commits timely release of state share for the program. Secondly, the state has to set up suggested institutional arrangements for implementation and management of the SBMG Phase 2. Thirdly, the state agrees to devolve funds to the Gram Panchayats for co-financing of SBMG components. And lastly, develops a project implementation plan and annual implementation plan.